Hi, excuse me, I had an appointment for today. No!
The fattest of the fat. What are you doing, bro?
Oh, that's little.
Keep going.
Maverick! Maverick!